Joe, and I'm with Enegren Brewing. We're a German-focused brewery out of Moore Park, California in Ventura County. And we're here today at Buckles and Brews International Festival. We have our Keller Fresh beer that we're serving today. It's our special release. It is a Keller lager brewed with 90 pounds of fresh Cascade hops that we used in the brew within 24 hours of them being picked. Cheers.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Matt from Captain Patty's Brewery. We're here today at Buckles and Brews pouring our 3-year anniversary beer. It's called Alright, Alright, Alright. It's 10.4%, super juicy New England style hazy IPA. Goes down real easy on a hot day like today, so thanks for coming by.
Alright guys, hey, I'm Mike. I work at Green Flash Brewing Company out of Mira Mesa, San Diego. We're here at Buckles and Brews. I just want to talk a little bit about one of the special beers we brought. We brought Blanc Tart Barrique, which is our blonde ale with spices, aged in red and white wine barrels, so French and American oak. It has lactose and Brett present, so nice and funky, sour, 4.5%. This beer was aged 1 to 3 years. So, cheers guys, enjoy the day.
I am Bob with the Santa Barbarians, and we're a homebrew club. Actually, the oldest and best, of course, homebrew club in Santa Barbara, the Santa Barbarians. And what we do is, this is the 3rd fest we've done in a few months here. We get invited, we can actually legally bring homebrews. We're a non-profit. And so we make beer at home, and we age it, and we bring it here. And we also have like, I don't know, we educate people about beer, and we just have a lot of fun with this. So, I'm also AKA Dr. Tucker Fadden, because it's Halloween, and we are sort of barbarians. So we got the hat, we've got stethoscope, we've got a lot of good people in our club. We have a monthly meeting, and we do a blind tasting of beer, a homebrew beer. And at the end of the year, the person with the most points gets awarded Homebrewer of the Year. And currently, this is going to be our Homebrewer of the Year right here, is Dan Reyes. So,
how you doing?
So we're serving 5 kinds of beer today. Mine's a Black Widow barley wine, and we're having a good time. And thanks to Andres for inviting us. We had a great time.
Well, hey, thank you, Wild World of Beer, for joining us again. This time we're at Buckles and Brews Invitational, 2nd annual here in Santa Barbara at the Santa Barbara Carriage Museum. The Buckles and Brews Invitational benefits the Kiwanis Club of Santa Barbara. 100% of the proceeds go directly to the Kiwanis Club of Santa Barbara. So today we're here with Eddie, who's the Lieutenant District Governor for Ventura and Santa Barbara. And so what do you think today?
Thank you.
How's the event's going?
This is a great event, and it's for a good purpose. I think when we are able to come together and raise money to serve children in our communities, it is what we do. Kiwanis, this is what we do best. And partnering with you, Andres, this is a great event to make that happen. Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
So here's another question. I see you're drinking a beer.
Yeah.
Well, what did you start with today?
Light beer.
What kind of
Firestone.
Oh, so you went with the Firestone for the first beer?
First beer, Firestone.
So prior to this, the Kiwanis Club did a pancake breakfast, correct?
We did.
And you guys probably put in a lot of hours to kind of make that thing happen?
We did. We put on a pancake breakfast for 65 years. And it was one of the main events for fiestas, all Spanish days here in Santa Barbara. We moved on to Buckles and Brew. We wanted to move a great event. We have a tremendous venue. Our member, Pete DeGeorgi, is the president of it. And so this is a perfect location, a great fresh idea to raise money for children looking through Kiwanis. This is a great partnership for us.
Well, we're excited, to do an invitational, not necessarily just a beer festival, festival, we actually invited the breweries that are going to be here today. We asked them to bring something a little different, unique, that normally you wouldn't see at a regular beer festival. And for the most part, a lot of the beers here, I know that there's at least 3 beers here that are being debuted here before they're actually even poured in the tap rooms. So I'm really excited about it. I think in our second year, we're continuing to grow. We've got some really good breweries who are going to join us today. And you know, the folks came out in Santa Barbara, and I just think it's a lot of fun so far.
Oh, absolutely.
We're just getting started, right?
On behalf of the breweries, Kiwanis, to the breweries, yourself, all the sponsors, all the people that are here having fun and raising money to help kids. It's just the best thing in the world. We're just happy. Thank you.
And there's some really, really good beer.
Salud.
All right, guys. Cheers, yeah.
Giovanni Apollo with Third Window Brewing here at Buckles and Brews. Our special beer today is our Blood Barrel Aged in Port Barrels, 263 days. Launching our barrel program now and starting to be getting more and more to our barrel program, bringing stuff in from wine barrels and bourbon barrels and port barrels. Get a lot of plum, got a little stone fruitedness, super high ABV, but tastes super smooth. Thank you guys for coming out today. Cheers.
I'm Pete Johnson. I'm the head brewer at the Brew House. The Brew House, a little brew pub here in Santa Barbara. We've been brewing beer for 19 years. We're here at the Buckles and Brews, helping to support the Kiwanis Club. And I brought a couple special beers here today. We have a Harvest Red Ale made with hops that I grew right out back. We picked them the day, we used them the day we picked them. You know, they're kind of herbal, they're kind of earthy. We also have a Habanero Saison. Saison's a Belgian ale that we serve all the time. We call ours baseball Saison because that's what Saison I bring it out in. But for today, we made the World Series edition. We're bringing the high heat. We infused it with habanero chilies. And then the other beer I brought, the Big Johnson Barley Wine. It's our we brew that beer every 500 batches. This is actually batch 1000. We made it 4 years ago. Cheers.